Join us as we celebrate Valentine's Day in style at 3 of the most romantic themed restaurants in the city. We'll be visiting the Cheesecake Factory, known for its delicious cheesecakes and romantic atmosphere, Sugar Factory, a dessert lover's paradise, and Brownstone Pancake Factory, the perfect spot for a cozy and intimate brunch. We'll be taking you on a tour of each restaurant, showing you their unique decor and atmosphere, and showing you some of their delicious dishes. So come along for a sweet and romantic Valentine's Day dining experience at these amazing restaurants. The Cheesecake Factory offers a romantic atmosphere with dim lighting, comfortable seating, and a wide variety of delicious entrees and appetizers to choose from. On Valentine's Day, they offer a special menu for couples that includes options such as filet mignon, seafood risotto, and of course, their famous cheesecakes. At Sugar Factory, couples can indulge in a sweet and playful experience with their over-the-top milkshakes, sundaes, and candy-inspired cocktails. For Valentine's Day, they offer a special menu that includes items such as the Love Martini cocktail, chocolate fondue for 2, and a variety of heart-shaped candy. Brownstone Pancake Factory, couples can enjoy a cozy and intimate brunch experience. Their special Valentine's Day menu features items such as red velvet pancakes, heart-shaped waffles, and crepes filled with strawberries and cream. Overall, all 3 of these theme restaurants offer a unique and romantic dining experience for couples on Valentine's Day. The Cheesecake Factory offers a classic romantic atmosphere, Sugar Factory offers a playful and sweet experience, and the Brownstone Pancake Factory offers a cozy and intimate brunch experience. The Cheesecake Factory, Sugar Factory, and Brownstone Pancake Factory are all chain restaurants with multiple locations worldwide. The Cheesecake Factory is a chain of restaurants that has locations in the United States, Puerto Rico, and the Middle East. They can be found in shopping centers, malls, and street front locations in urban, suburban areas. Sugar Factory is a chain of restaurants and retail stores that can be found in various locations worldwide such as United States, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Mexico, and Philippines. Brownstone Pancake Factory is a chain of restaurants that is primarily located in the United States, with locations in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. Don't forget to make your reservations early at the Cheesecake Factory, Sugar Factory, and Brownstone Pancake Factory for a romantic and memorable Valentine's Day dining experience. You can book your reservations online or by phone. Be sure to check the availability before you visit. Make sure to mention it's for Valentine's Day. Some of these restaurants may have special menus or packages for couples. Treat your loved one to an unforgettable meal at one of these amazing restaurants. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more food and travel videos like this one. And let me know in the comments which restaurant you'd like to visit on Valentine's Day. Your support helps me to create more content that you love.